Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, in this question we have been asked several questions. So the first one is a cross in fox squirrel. So we have a homozygous black and a homozygous red fox squirrel. All offsprings are black, so they must be heterozygous. So the Punnett square for F1 generation would look like this. So this is homozygous black and this is homozygous red. Let's say this is male, this is female. So this is how the Punnett square is going to look like. So now we take two of the F1 generation and make a Punnett square for F2 generation. So it will be like this. And now we have different ratios. So the ratio is 1:2:1. 1 for black homozygous, one is the 2 is heterozygous black and the other one is homozygous red. So if you talk about the genotypic ratio, it is 3:1. Coming to the next question, the genetic cross that would give a phenotypic ratio of 9:3:3:1 is a heterozygous trait, for example crossed with. So these two individuals will give us the ratio of 9:3:3:1. Coming to the next question, hemochromatosis. Since the boy's parents are normal, one grandparent is affected, one of the parent must be heterozygous. So other parent does not carry, so they must be homozygous. So the probability of the boy is heterozygous can be determined using the Punnett square again. So I'll take this one here and this here. So we have the Punnett square. Heterozygous boy is 50%. How do we know? 2 out of the 4 possible offsprings have the heterozygous trait, and out of this 50% would be male and 50% would be female, and out of the probability of male, 50% will be heterozygous. For the Snapdragon question, the most likely explanation for 1 red is to 2 pink is to 1 white. In the phenotypic ratio in the F2 generation is because of incomplete dominance. So this is an example of incomplete dominance. Next question, that is the 5th question. The possible blood types of an offspring of a cross between individuals that are AB and O. The possible blood type could be A or B, because the O allele, that is the recessive allele, will be received. One will be the recessive and either one will be from the other parent. So either it will be A or B and not O. Coming to 6th question, a woman with A blood type and a man with B blood type could potentially have the following blood types. So if I take both of them to be heterozygous, and if I do the cross, I can get O, I can get A, I can get B as well, or I can get AB as well. If I take these two, I'll get that also. So basically I'm getting all of the possible blood types. So the correct option would be E, all of the above. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.